Welcome back to Nano Discovery. Today, we visited an abandoned car workshop and discovered a blue car quietly lying amidst a pile of old, worn-out vehicles. This car seems to have been left here for years, with most of its parts heavily damaged and the paint covered in dust and rust. Join us on the journey to restore and revive this car, bringing it back to its former glory. Follow us so you don't miss any part of this exciting process. At first glance, this car is filled with waste, from dry leaves and dirt to old, decaying items, making the interior look like a dusty storage space of time. To bring this car back to the workshop, we need a large truck capable of carrying both the rusty frame and all the debris inside. The first step after bringing the car back to the workshop is to remove the engine, the core component that allows the vehicle to function. This is the heart of the car, determining its power and performance. Next, we will disassemble other parts, starting with the wheels, using specialized tools to carefully detach each detail from the frame. The engine of the car is quite complex, requiring careful disassembly to avoid damaging any important wiring systems. As the heaviest component, we will use a crane to safely lift the engine out, ensuring no damage occurs to other parts. After disassembly, we will use an air compressor to blow away dirt and debris in the crevices of the machinery. This thorough cleaning is crucial for accurately assessing the condition of each part and planning an effective restoration. After removing the engine, we will clean the front frame to remove dirt and repaint it. This not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures better adhesion of the new paint, protecting the car and extending its lifespan. While waiting for the interior paint to dry, we will work on the exterior surface of the vehicle. To install a larger wheel, we will use a specialized drill to create the necessary space, requiring precision and care. Once the drilling is complete, we will weld the holes shut to ensure that the connections are solid and safe. This welding process demands the skill and experience of skilled craftsmen, not only to ensure aesthetic quality, but also to protect the safety of everyone around. While the welders are working on the remaining wheels, we will move on to the interior painting process, giving a fresh look to the vehicle's interior space. The face of the speedometer is damaged, and to restore both its beauty and functionality, we will design and create a new face. Once completed, we will carefully reinstall the speedometer face in its original position while also reattaching other accessories, such as the air conditioning, ensuring that every detail fits perfectly and operates smoothly. Finally, we will install the seats and complete the interior, finishing the inside of the vehicle. Once the interior installation is complete, we will carefully use decals to cover areas that do not need painting, protecting important details during the repainting process. This not only helps prevent damage to the components, but also ensures that the new paint layer is applied perfectly. We will proceed to repaint the vehicle's exterior, including the body and the doors, as these are crucial elements in refreshing the appearance of the car. Finally, we come to the most important step in the restoration process, reassembling all the parts of the car to bring it back to its original shape. We will begin by carefully installing the car doors and the ceiling, ensuring that every detail fits perfectly and is complete. We will reassemble the engine components, including the engine head, exhaust pipe, and other essential parts. These are crucial for the vehicle's smooth operation, so the technician must have the necessary expertise to perform this task effectively. Decorating with patterns and applying decals is an essential part of the vehicle restoration process, enhancing its appearance. We will select designs that match the vehicle's style, creating harmony between beauty and personality. The sharp decals will not only enhance aesthetics, but also attract attention, turning the vehicle into a mobile work of art that the owner can take pride in. Finally, after some time, the car has been reborn with a completely new look. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to follow our upcoming adventures.